Animal Equality covertly filmed inside 8 British chicken farms to uncover the truth about this secretive industry. All 8 farms that we visited are operated by Moy Park, one of the UK's biggest chicken producers, which supplies McDonald's. On these farms, innocent young chicks are forced to live in extremely overcrowded conditions. In the wild, chickens would naturally live in small flocks of a dozen or less. Here, around 30,000 birds are crammed into each bleak shed. Chickens have been selectively bred over time to grow bigger and faster, so the industry has more meat to sell and more money to make. This has horrendous consequences for the animals. They can be seen gasping for air, their hearts and lungs barely able to cope with the strain from their enormous bodies. Some struggle to walk. Others can't even stand up. Sitting for weeks on end on a urine-soaked floor causes some birds to develop painful red, raw burns and blisters on their sensitive stomachs and feet. Water drinkers are routinely raised to heights which are impossible for smaller birds to reach, as they're considered unprofitable. This means the chicks that don't grow quickly enough are left to die from dehydration, so the industry doesn't have to spend money on giving them food and water. These birds are cruelly deprived of their most basic of needs. Chicks that are deemed too small or too weak have their necks crushed by farm workers. The suffering of these animals is undeniable, yet these practices appear to be business as usual.
Farms and with the lower graded chicks, 9 times out of 10 will get worse birds.
The chicks that survive this ordeal are then sent to slaughter at just over 1 month old. They're still babies with blue eyes and high-pitched chirps.